When it comes to professional-grade graphics cards, one size does not fit all. Design, manufacturing, engineering, and media professionals need hardware designed for professionals, powered by the best in workstation GPUs. That's where the AMD Radeon Pro WX 8200 comes in. This is so much more than a gaming GPU. It's a cutting-edge workhorse precisely engineered for professional applications. Here, we've paired the Radeon Pro with an AMD Ryzen Threadripper 2990 WX CPU and 64 GB of RAM, freeing us from the hardware and software bottlenecks that can cut into the productivity of professional content creators. So what is it that makes the AMD Radeon Pro special? It's not just the impressive specs. It's also the way the Radeon Pro uses that power. AMD's Next-based GPUs leverage parallel computation engines, allowing the card to fully process thousands of pieces of data simultaneously. It does this by using multiple command processors, also known as asynchronous compute engines. This allows the GPU to work on processing new tasks while still completing those that are unfinished. It's a more efficient use of GPU power, and that translates to using multiple resource-intensive applications faster and more reliably than ever before. The high-performance Radeon Pro WX 8200 saves time, and for hardworking professionals, time is money. And it does all this at a remarkably low cost. With the Radeon Pro WX 8200, you can take full advantage of AMD's powerful Vega architecture for under $1,000. You're not going to find anything else designed for professional workloads this powerful in this price range. Low cost, high performance, designed for professionals. That's what the AMD Radeon Pro WX 8200 is all about. It just works.